Siyabingelela ubingelela baba uDokotela baba Wesizwe baba uJabulile ufana umhleje ekhehlela umZulu kaMancisi. Namhlanje ngithatha ithuba ukuthi ake ngibonga kakhulu abantu. Lento ngababonga abantu senisikhulume ngathi sehlike emthini. Abantu ngokuthi babuke nje i-channel yakho kubaluleke kakhulu lento. Abantu ukuthi babone ama-video akho kubaluleke kakhulu. Abantu ngabe bakubhlokha long time ago, but people bebahla azange bakwenze lokho. Kodwa sisho siyabonga. Oh, King Zoso. Yo, liyamfana. King Zoso isenzo sakhe has offended a lot of people, but yinhle into ayenzayo. Abantu basaquestion ukuthi njengoba akha i-double story imali uyithathephi because wenza into enhle, but ukuthi ukuba udlongolisa lokwazi ngaba akekho buza lokho ukuthi isibindi sokudlongolisa lokwazi usithathe bezothi yabona-ke sasitheni ngalovaza ngoba wenza into enhle umfana is get persecuted like nobody's business. But ngisho kakhulu ngithi umfana muhle kakhulu umseza wenzile besabonga nje ukuthi even efika lapha phambi kwenkosi enkulu esekuphakameni uthi ngazanga afuna ukuthi abe imodel abe yisini kubukwe yena wehlela ngezansi kakhulu even inkosi iqhamuka wakwazi ukuthi aguqa abanye abaguqa bafuna ukubona ukuthi iya ngalapha inkosi abanye beguqa yena umuntu ayimelele. Then siyabonga kakhulu nje King Zoso lokho kuyisifunda ke nasentsheni ukuthi ake ube yisibonelo enganeni ezingangawe ayibasibonele enganeni ngangako. We are not saying we are cutting a pattern kwena wengane siyakubonga nje kakhulu. Baba uDokotela baba Wesizwe bawujabule ngiyabonga nanokuthi ukwazi ukuthi athole umsebenzi company lena ngeEnglish igama layo emqashile. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke ufuna uKing Zoso lapha asebenze ngokuzinikela nokuzethemba, but mase phinde futhi abheke ifile lakhe ukuthi they not going to use him ngoba into ebalekile lapha abamqashela yona kuyona qualification yakhe ama followers akhe. And ufuna aqaphele kakhulu ke lapho nabasondele nabaphinde bambhekisisa ukuthi lalela lana bheke ukuthi icompany iqashe ngokuthemba iqashele noma iqashele ukuthi ibe expose kuma followers akho ukuthi basendaweni ukuthi badayise imoto if sebazi after 2 months bakuxoxe ngoba bazobe sebevese beyitholile into ebizwa ukuthi media exposure. Engisho ukuthi sibonga kakhulu kodwa kuhle nje kakhulu kodwa ukuthi phela ama companies ufuna siwabheke uma eqashwa abantu ukuthi abaqashwa ngokubasiza noma aqasha ngokuthini. This is baba uDokotela baba Wesizwe bawujabule ufana umhleje. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngesihlahla esibaluleke kakhulu. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngesihlahla somuzi othi ekhaya kaze bayipaka imoto entsha. Angikizwa ukuthi ngithini. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngomuntu othi baba uDokotela la ekhaya kwakheki kunendlu namanje engabe sesathi sayiphethe ihlula ukuqedela just u4 rooms not u4 bedroom just 4 rooms awupheli. Ngifuna mina umuntu ohleli nomakoti and sekuqeda ingane esikoleni kodwa kuyeke ukoqeda ukuthi abashade ngokuphelele leli khaya kanti linani. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngomuntu mina othi ubaba washonele Lady Smith emsebenzini kodwa namhlanje lokashona sikake siwenza umsebenzi wakhe ombuso because ayikho into mekuhlangana imali ufuna kuhlangana manje bese kuvuka inkulumo kuxatshana. Lelo khaya lelo lisuke livese kuyingaselona ekhaya sekuwumuzi. It's just a house with a door number, that's all. Kanti ikhaya as ikhaya asilibheke ukuthi what are we expecting ekhaya. Lento yokuxabana kwamadodana noma kwamadodakazi ekhaya le khaya kanti lina yini lena ephehla ngathi impethu. Lento ke ufuna siyibheke kulelo khaya kunomuthi ke esiuphethe la nanku lo muthi ubiza ukuthi it's Ephata plant. Ephata plant lento siyitshala ekhaya siyitshalele ekhaya ukubuyisa isithunzi sekhaya ukuqeda indlala ekhaya ukubuyisa isimo sokuthembela kuleli khaya. Abantu bantshontshelwa imoto emgaqweni ba hijack kodwa kuwena ilanda imoto la usuthi sengifile ekhaya sengiyipakile ifika ithathu imoto engisho ukuthi leyo nto lelo khala likho le awukho ekhaya njalo ekhaya la usuke usuphephe khona but wena ekhaya la usaba khona kakhulu ekhaya wena ila usuke usaba kakhulu. Ngizokutshela into ngeke uunderstand wena kwakho nje noma uhlala laphi ungakwazi nje uvuke ebusuku nje bakushisa nje ebusuku udlala ucansi udlala nje ucansi kahle uyilalela eminyango uyishayela nje umoya ebusuku nje ungayenza wona le nto ngoba uphuma nje unkosikazi uJedu yochama ungasabuya kulandela ukuthi kanti sekwenzekeni athi akutholele uzothi hayibo igebengu ikhaya lelo usaba kulona ekhaya awusabi kodwa nani yasabe emakhaya ngifuna ukuthi ngikwakhele ke into ke esizolibuyisa ithemba kulela khaya wazi ukuthi uma uvalela imbuzi mase zisekhaya uyophinde zivulele wena bangayintshontshe entabeni but mase kunto isisekhaya ngoba lelo khaya lisuke selisetshenziswe njoba wena ufuna ukuqala into workshop ufuna uqala into beauty cosmetic into ozoyenzela ekhaya udayisa ngamagwinya ubuya nebhakede lamagwinya futhi asikukhandi ukuthi into eyenziwe kuleli khaya ayithuthukise leli khaya sitshala ke lesihlahla ke sisibiza ukuthi fata plant asikunike ke lehlahla lesi wena osekhaya ongeke ukwazi ukuza kubabudokotela bawusizibojabule ufana umhlelo ekhehle umzolo sizokuthumelela ziwu2 bese uthola impuphu mina mase ngikuthumelela amafutha afakwayo uma usitshala ufaka amafutha epangolin ufaka ishele epangolin musu ufaka nalomuthi ngiyawukhohlwa lomuthi mase ke ufaka imali emhlophe ufaka usholo omhlophe ufaka impuphu musu ufaka lesihlahla ke lesi uma usuyifaka lento uyilevela lento uma sokuthi lesihlahla lesi singayithintani nalento sikwazi ukuthi ama roots asuspendeke kahle lana ke soke sikhandela ke umuntu ke la ngiza nesigubhu bakethi ngiza nesigubhu esihle isigubhu sikawele but lesa sigubhu si on hold because angifuni ukukhipha into ezoba ifailure at an expense of 50,000 rand sizolinda even 100 years as long lento efakwa phakathi ingakangeni sizolinda leso sigubhu ke siyeza ke futhi kodwa ke njengamanje si on hold because ukwakha isigubhu awubese uvuka ekseni nje wenza into oyithandayo it's not a walk in the park uyalinda kuzokuthi ama ingredient kunama ingredients mase zoba nama key ingredients uwele ubanjwe isoftware the key ingredient iyona ke futhi ukuthi ingeneke thereafter sengazo njengamanje ungangifonela ukuthi ungifonela ungibuza ngazo kodwa mase sesilungile ngophinde ngibuyele kwi-channel ngitshela hayi uwele usulungile ke futhi this is Baba Dokotela Baba sizibojabulile ufana nomhleje ekhehle lomlungu uyazi bakithi kunento ethi angeke ngiphuza amanzi nje yabona impilo unfair impilo ayilingane baze bathi uNkulunkulu akabuzwa kodwa ezinye izinto ukubona ukuthi yabona lana uNkulunkulu ngabe ngiyambuza since you are dating umfelokazi lento ufuna ngisho since you are dating umfelokazi umfelokazi okwazi ukumpersecute ukuthi uselale namadoda amangaka emakufa indoda yakho kakuhlangene nalento ngena wena lento bengalali nawo belala namadoda but ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi njengoba unkosikazi esebayeke bonke labantu athi sizokubhekana nawe what are you bringing kuyena lo nkosikazi lona unamawele nengane yodwa umfana lo nkosikazi lona unamawele amantombazane kuphela okuyi nokunye uyayihlanganisela lo nkosikazi lona uphila ngokukhipha amabhakede amagwinya namakhekhe mesehamba neyodwa ingane la ngoba yithi iqeda isikole iyomlekelela what are you bringing kulo nkosikazi lona are you bringing sadness and sorrow or ushawa isizungu umkakho uyakuncisha ucansi ufuna la uzobringa khona literally ngempela ufuna uzibuza ukuthi yebo uyamthanda uyidarky uyiliyanto le uchocolate uyabo uthi yabo lento le uyo yonke into umi kahle noma unjani kulungile sinankela kodwa ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi njengendoda njengomnomzana ekhaya nawe unonkosikazi ekhaya uyafika ekhaya uphethe plastic uma usumbuka emehlweni ubuke excitement kuyena uma usuzibuza ukuthi le nkosikazi loyana did she have the same excitement uma qhamuka indoda yakhe njobe ingekho indoda yakhe what brings excitement kuyena wena njoba ungena uthi uma ungena ubone kunyakaza wonke umuntu egcekeni ngemoto nonkosikazi abe busy ungena uhambe wenza into oyenzayo uyohlala endlini yakho thina sinezindlu zethu emva kwaloko uyabona sekuthunyelwa ingane izobuza sikwenzele into sikwenzele into ephuzwayo sikwenzele into edliwayo lo nkosikazi akusenzeki la akasena umuntu njalo wena uthi umebona wena ubonani ubona umuntu ozothi umefika ekamereni abekhumulela hlala phana lindele ukuthi nawe wenza same thing okusho ukuthi uze kuyena ngani ubhuti omdala uze ngani kuyena ngoba funa sibuke izinto ufike kuyena enomuzi eli no round owodwa vese ke ngapha uthayile usuvuza yini ekuhlula wena ukuthi umfakele uthayila kuphela yini lekuhlulayo umfakele uthayila abawu15 kuphela bawu10 laba ngenxa ukuthi uL laba mase bawu5 ngapha khipha yonke le yini ekuhlula ukuthi umfakele ngoba lo muntu ulala naye lo muntu ukunika care engaphezulu komkakho wena njengendoda ngizokutshela nje anginamsebenzi namanga ngikubuka nje mina ngibuka nje wena njengendoda uyena kuphela okwaziyo ukuthi uma ufika akuhage umkakho akayenzi lonto umkakho ubona usuhambile ukuthi awusekho usuhambile ngoba kuyena nje ukuthi uhambe ugqokeni akanamsebenzi nje nalonto le akanamsebenzi ukuthi iskip usiphindile ibhluku akanamsebenzi nje nalonto le into yanomsebenzi wayo ukukutshela ukuthi sicela ufake usinike imali ufuna ukuthenga irice kuphela phelile lo muntu lana wesifazane okunike uthando olungaka what are you putting back in return angisho ukuthi madoda sithengeni uthando njoba akhile ngobestazi indlu yakhe ayiconsa inalutho kodwa uke waya lapha yena forum house lo wathi afika udonga lomazi lonke uplastele ngaphakathi ngaphandla kaplastelanga yini ekuhlulayo at least umplastelele ngaphambili aqhama khona imvula ufakele uvrandi okungcono yini ekuhlulayo injabulo inikwa ulo muntu wesifazane it is incomparable kunenye indawo wena even kumngakho niya ngekhalenda benile last week enkonzweni namhlanje aniyi kokunye zathi chama umfuna ukuchama yayizwa lonto le unkosikazi wakho ke lo unkosikazi wakho ke lo menzele yonke into lo menze lapha yana injabulo i-expensive kakhulu i-expensive kakhulu engisho ukuthi madoda ake siyibone into evusa inhlungu athi bekungcono engekho lo muntu empilweni yami yebo yena uyangisiza kodwa bekungcono engekho number 1 la kamakhelwane usuqonyiwe usuqonyiwe wena futhi usuqonyiwe lami uthi umuza kuyena nje usuqonyiwe usukubonakala udlula ngemoto kanti ubungenzile kuyena ingane zizezitshela uma wazi ukuthi manje ngibona imoto kaKhanyile kababa Khanyile unkosikazi ashift yonke into lo mfelo na ayije 2 years kanti cha usuqonyiwe lana what are you bringing even indoda yakhe ayikaziqonya kamakhelwane kunezinto madoda esizenza but evesene kucaca ukuthi sinyakaze sithu ibhokisi lo muntu ofile awusenakudele akutshela ukuthi hayi babukhanyile angazi mhlawumbe kukhona nokunye okula endlini obongafuna ukuthi uma usuhamba ukuthatha musu uthwena sengikufayile ngafike kufayile roof musu wenza njena ungazongidakela wena ungazi ukuthi ngubani ehlisa umoya bhuti ehlisa umoya sikutshela iqiniso njengamadoda ngitshela iqiniso nje uma wena uthi wena uzoyenza le yanto leyana rather kuqhubeka nalengane vese eziqhoma ngoba kunamadoda amaningi abahlukumezela abafelokazi by far kodwa ngisho ukuthi because we got a platform where we can able to speak to each other sinikezane ulwazi ukuthi lento umuye kumfelwazi ungayenza kumkakho ukuthi uyayenza kumkakho kodwa musu kumfelwazi awuzucabanga ukuthi lento yenza kumkakho ngakho lokho kuvimba uqonywe ingane zomakhelwane nani uqonywe nale iqashe ezila kwakho abanye bahlane iqashe emagcekeni awuzoyenza ke lapha yana ake uzibuza ukuthi kulomfelokazi what am I bringing I am bringing sadness and sorrow or what kukwena ngiyakubuza wena uzositshela kuma comment section uthi baba hayi mina babudokotela well this is what I'm bringing this is what I'm bringing this is what I'm bringing this is baba udokotela yes I have a question to ask lo mbuzo ngangawubuza no one has answered but today I'll make it stronger who invented zero because we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 but uzero bongekho who brought this zero and why that person has to bring zero kuma numeric numbers e9 and then sinawo ke le number up to 9 but who brought this zero lo zero loyana iwona owenze inombolo zikwazi kuba functionally nayo futhi ngizobuye ngikutshela ukuthi why u1 ufuna abe nekepisi, why u2 kufuze ukuthi ame kanjani kungenziwanga o1 aba2 equal to 2 kohamba isikhathi kubuye. Kodwa ngisafuna sikhulume le ka0 u0. Yazi lento ibhlungu ngoba lento thina sine tendency yokubukela abanye abantu phansi ngoba besezweni lethu, such as ama-foreigners. Ama-foreigners esinawo, illegal or unillegal, kuthina awawona amadoda aphelele. Wena umbona as if nje because uyi-foreigner in your country. Yazi in a sense that ukuyibuze ukuthi am I human enough? Ingane foreigner awuyibizi ngengane foreigner. Kunale gama lelo nolisebenzisayo ngiyalikhohle konje kuthiwa yini igama ngibhale kunale gama lelo nilisebenzisayo ubona ingane zama foreigner izosikhubaza lifuna siyikhule ku maturity yakho. Wazi ukuthi ubona enye insizwa engumnomzana as long as foreigner inale mizwa efana nendlela yokucabanga efana neyakho, ucabanga njengendoda, leave alone that is a foreigner in your country. Ngoba lezi lezi zokusizivela njengamandiya, amandiya are less undermine, aswathathi serious at all. Kuthina amandiya ungathi they worth nothing, ungathi they worth nothing. Amandiya they brought us zero. Amandiya they brought us zero. Arabs they brought us 1 up to 9. Arabs. Abelungu they brought us Jesus, who is fake. That is what they did. And slavery. Abelungu, that is what they brought. The inventors of slavery are not Arabs, are white persons, white people. Those are the sons of devil. Ibona abantu bokuqala abasilethela incindezelo ehamba noJesu wabo. But ama-Indians, they brought us zero because Arabs for years, they were using 1 up to 9. And we started to have numeric numbers in order after Sesino 0. Because Amandia, they said, how come we got 1 up to 9? But because before we had that, we had nothing. In order to prove that we have that, we must put empty. We must put 0 before we put a number. Now we got 0, 1, 2, 3. Thereafter, yonke into isisebenza ngo0. That lento bengifuna ukuthi ngikubuzana. Cha namhlanje sizoqala kubantu ukuba khona abantu abathatha serious. Ngoba wena ubona umuntu ongcono kuumlungu. Angisho nje futhi nalento yena. Into edala ukuthi iChristianity nini adapte kalula because yalethwa umlungu. Into enza ukuthi ni denounce kalula iIslam because ilethwe umuntu ongayina umlungu. Ama Arab. Because wena ubu prefer into elethwa umlungu. Angikho ke lapho. Into engifuna futhi ukubuza yona, this is about questioning today. What is the origin of your surnames, of these surnames, so-called surnames, as well as this name called Guy? It has been questioning me, persecuting me left, right, and center. There is no way that singaba negama that elisetshenziswa umfazi nendoda. Asibona plastic tin. Why we call girls and boys together, guys? Hi guys, come here. What is the origin of that name? Liqhamngaphi? Livesele lihlambalaze bonke abantu libize obanomzana ngama guys. Will you say a guy to a president? No. Okay, come to a surname. Surname, it was originated during this glorious slaves. Isikhathi sengincindezelo abantu, the glory of slavery. Abantu begqilazwa ngokuthi basebebaningi kakhulu amagama abo. Badinga ukuthi babuzwe ukuthi baqhamuka kuphi. Memesho ke umuntu ukuthi uqhamuka eNewcastle kwakuyisibongo sakhe, eqhamuka noNgoma sekuyisibongo sakhe. Zaqala ke into zezibongo zaqhamuka kanjani, qala nje izibongo zaqhamuka kanjani. And thereafter bathe befika belungu la kuthina Jan van Riebeeck, they came with surnames because they had that mentality yama slaves. When they buza amakhoyi ukuthi what are your names? And amakhoyi ashigama elilodwa. Amasan ashigama elilodwa. What your surname? Uthothi asinalo into because we never have slaves. Maybe fika nangapha kuthina kwaZulu bathothi sinamagama kuphela. We don't have so-called slavery names, so-called surname, name of the surnames kalondlela kufuna lelo gama ke phuma kulento yakho gxeka abanye abantu ngezibongo zabo ngenxa wena uthi isibongo sakho singcono kwesinye asikho ngcono it's just the names that were given by izitha zoba bamkhulu encindizelweni yabantu ababe ngama slaves caba notizo says come to Guy sinomfana ekuthiwa uGuy Fawkes GUY mase sithi Fawkes FOWKES that is Fawkes isibongo sakhe uGuy Fawkes was arrested and he denied his name that his name is Guy Fawkes. He said his name is John Johnson. And thereafter the Romans, that time, they persecuted, they tortured him for weeks and then for days. Then he surrendered to the information that, oh, I am real Guy Fawkes. I am Guy Fawkes. Guy, you got a right guy. I am Guy Fawkes. We know what happened to Guy? Kahle kwakuyizidlaliso lesiyana kwangelona igama lakho ngempela wena le gama lakho Guy Fawkes kwakuyidlaliso ebizo Guy thereafter bambophe inyawo ikhanda labheka phansi and they burned him alive in front of the public. They burnt him alive, they chopped him all over his body and they take pieces of his body and then bagqiba amakhonena epalace of Roman bourgeoisies bagqiba abantu emva kwaloko they rioted. But it's bulaleni sonke because this person has done nothing that deserve to be killed like this. We are all guys. Bulaleni, everybody what nama Guy, and thereafter baqala abantu babizana ngabo Guy, meaning that babebiza gama in the remembrance of the gentleman who was brutally murdered. Don't call a person a Guy unless wena sympathize naloya muntu loyana. And king uThomas. Yabo. And thereafter, now you know what igama lithi Guy lisho ukuthini. This is Babu Dokotela living for Qatar in Doha. Ngiyahamba ngeQatar. Mase ngiseQatar ngizonenzela ne footage yakhona ngitshengisa izinto engingazazi. iQatar oqala ufuna ukwazi awukho umfula. Baphuza ulwandle. Baphuza umfula ongashi. Yeah. That is Qatar. Babu Dokotela babo sizibojabule ufana umhle Jakarta. Enye futhi into ofuna uyazi eQatar khona ama-bar itavern engekho but izwe lamaSulumane. Umuntu ufuna utshwala eQatar uzokuthola. eQatar enye into ngekwazi uma ufika eQatar uyawuhlala u6 months ukaze uhambe umuntu ngepeni ngoba laphana you cannot do that eQatar. That you cannot do. You must get married. Bring your wife or marry somebody, then you can have sex in Qatar. But umuye laphana amakhosikazi ethu safe as galu njengoba eQatar nje we are not going to be boozing with amantombazane nan. It's unlike laba yamazwe aseFar East. But in Qatar akho girlfriend, akho night club, elifike kubhengwa khona kudanswa kudayiswa ngemizimba kwenza yonke into. But into engizokutshela yona, there is no river in Qatar. As much as in New Zealand there are no snakes in New Zealand. Babu Dokotela babo sizibojabule ufana umhlehle ekhehlela umzulu amancesi siyabonga.